Let's learn this super trendy panda and bear coasters which flips and pops. We will start with a magic ring, chain 2, and then we will make a 12 double crochet. The first chain 2 we are not counting it as a stitch. Pause and complete the stitch. Once it's completed, then we will make a slip stitch. So we are making a slip stitch on the first double crochet we made. For the second row we will start with a chain 2 and then we will increase means 2 double crochet in each stitch. For the third row we will make a chain 2 and then we will make a double crochet, increase, and then following with the double crochet. So we will follow the same process. Increase means 2 double crochet and then 1 double crochet. So we will make a total of 36 double crochet in this round. On the last and fourth round of the coaster we will make a chain 1 and then we will make a crab stitch or a reverse single crochet stitch. Now we will make our ears, legs and hand for our bear or panda. The process is same for both if you want to make a panda or a bear. So for first we are making is ears. For ears we will make a 6 single crochet and then slip stitch. So we will make 2 ears. For legs we will continue with 6 SC and then increase means 2 SC in each stitch. So we will make total 12 SC. For row 3 and row 4 we will do 12 SC single crochet in each stitch. So once we are done with that we are done with ears and legs. For hands we are making it little bit bigger, so just make a one more round of SC. So now we will start with head part. For head part we will make a magic ring, and then for row 1 we will make 6 single crochet. For the second row we will make increase, so 2 SC in each stitch to make a total of 12 single crochet. For row 3 we will make a single crochet and then increase, so 2 SC and then SC and repeat all across. So row 4 to row 6 we will make 18 single crochet in each stitch. Now we will start doing decrease. So decrease will be done by picking up the 2 front loops of stitch. I am using here invisible decrease method. Now we will again decrease to make 6 single crochet across, so 6 time decrease. Now we will close the loop by picking up the front loops only. Here I'm showing how to make a pause. It's very optional step, but it gives a cute little feature to the hands of the panda and bear. Thank you for watching.